How y'all doing? It's Extreme Florida Sportsman. Today we are getting ready to send it. We're going deep sea fishing today, y'all. Heading out to the middle ground. See if we can get on some grouper. See if we can get on some top water action. We are getting ready to make it happen. I got the Extreme crew with me. It's about to really go down, y'all. So y'all stay tuned. There he is.
Yeah,
there he is.
Got my goddamn fish off. Come on, supposed to reel that thing up. Get her in here. Looks like a fatty. Oh. Yeah, that looks like a fatty. Got that pulled up. Well, no, there it goes. Running. That's pretty big. From here, at least.
Oh yeah, he's working.
Oh yeah. Yeah. What is that? That's
Woo! That's what I'm talking about.
That's out of season.
Oh man, it's a fucking fat gag.
Fat keeper gag.
Oh my god, we gotta measure and weigh this guy. Gotta measure and weigh this guy. I need pictures for him.
Hey, take your fish.
Hold on, guys. Hold on.
That is a PB gag for smoking.
Oh man, look at this guy. Come here, big guy. Woo! Look at that, y'all. One time for the Extreme Florida Sportsman, this is what we came out to do. So I'm talking about. Too bad that this guy's out of season. But let's measure and weigh him and see what he's talking about.